quick reading for May the 19th to May the 20th, Taurus. Your cards are the High Priestess, the Temperance, and the Six of Wands. So, meron na ditong hindi mapipigilan yung kanyang nararamdaman. The High Priestess kasi kahit hindi naman niya sabihin, parang nafe-feel mo naman na, ay, alam ko naman, nagpapapansin ka sa akin, alam ko naman, meron kang feeling sa akin, alam ko na gusto mo yung attention ko, no? With the Temperance, ito yung araw na parang medyo mas mapapalakas or mas mapapabilis or the last rather, no? Itong kanyang pagsisiwalat ng damdamin or yung pagkakaroon ng obvious actions towards you. And it felt like mako-corner mo itong person na ito, no? Masasabi mo na, alam ko may gusto ka sa akin. At yung reaction niya talagang magbablush, parang wala na siyang magagawa kundi aminin talaga yung feelings niya. So this is your quick reading for May the 19th to May the 20th, Taurus.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.